Did you know that some facts are so wild, they seem unbelievable? Get ready to have your mind blown. In the next 5 minutes, we'll explore 10 crazy facts that will leave you questioning everything. Welcome to Fact Fuel, where fact meets curiosity. Let's dive into the first fact. Did you know honey never spoils? Archaeologists found pots of honey in ancient Egyptian tombs that are over 3,000 years old. Isn't that amazing? And still edible. Next, there's an octopus with 3 hearts. While 2 pump blood to the gills, 1 pumps it to the rest of the body. This unique design keeps it alive in the ocean depths. Now here's a fun one. Bananas are berries, but strawberries aren't. Berries are defined differently. It all has to do with how the fruit develops from the flower. Ever heard of a flamingo's color? It starts off gray. It gets its pink hue from the diet of shrimp and algae. What a dramatic transformation. Moving on, let's talk about wombat poop. These animals produce cube-shaped droppings. This unique shape prevents the poop from rolling away, marking their territory effectively. Here's a surprising fact. Octopuses have blue blood. Their blood contains hemocyanin, allowing it to transport oxygen efficiently in cold waters. Now, hold on to your hat. There is a species of jellyfish, Turritopsis dohrnii, that can revert to its juvenile form. This process makes it biologically immortal. Did you know that a group of flamingos is called a flamboyance? This fitting name reflects their striking colors and social behavior. In the animal kingdom, the heart of a shrimp is located in its head. This odd positioning comes from its unique anatomy. Nature is full of surprises. Finally, let's wrap up with this mind-boggling fact. As these little workers are truly dedicated. Single teaspoon of honey represents the life work of approximately 12 bees. So there you have it. 10 unbelievable facts that are, incredibly, true. Share these tidbits with your friends and watch their jaws drop. Ready to explore more wild truths? Like and subscribe for more fascinating insights.